Hi, my name is Abby Cruz. I'm a Conscious Discipline Certified Instructor. For the better part of my career, I've been working with Early Head Start and Head Start. And one of the big challenges for those of us that have leadership roles is to always have our heart in our work that we do. We all got into Head Start because we wanted to do great things for children and families. And as leaders, we always want to be able to support our teachers in doing those great things. But then we have all the expectations. We have performance standards, class scores, data collection. And at the same time, we're handling big child behaviors. We're handling teachers who may be frustrated about those behaviors. We may be facing high rates of staff turnover. We can lose heart, right? We can get so focused on the work of our head that we can lose our heart for this work. At this event, your sense of purpose is renewed, and you can lean into the powers of conscious discipline as a tool for not only leading your teams, but also for taking care of yourself. I'm going to be able to share with you things that have helped me in leading my organization, things that have helped me support teachers who are dealing with some really big and challenging behaviors, and things that have helped our organization to reduce their staff turnover through the school family model, through implementation of skills to help you support teachers who are dealing with challenging classroom behaviors. You're going to meet leaders in Head Start from all over the country. We're going to learn together and we're going to laugh together. And we hope that you walk away with a renewed sense of purpose and new skills for the very important work that you do every day.